Hi, would you like to earn $300 PayPal money every day by easy work? Yeah, I'm sure you are. Just you have to do for that is you follow my Make Money Online methods in this video that I have explained later on. All you have to do just follow my instructions and you are good to go with more than $300 you can earn. It's just a number. All you have to do is just follow my instructions and be active and do the work. But before I show you the method, welcome to Moneyhorn. Hi, this is Josh from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest Make Money Online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which you can earn $300 or even more PayPal money every day by just easy work. All you have to do just simply do as I say to do. The site that I'm going to show you is called univoxcommunity.com. Yes, this is univoxcommunity.com. It's just logos like this Univox logo. It's a, you can see already, it's a tech survey and earn reward site. This is mainly a service sites. Yeah, you have to do this to earn money with this, but let me show you some examples. But the way you can earn, do simple works and you can easily earn more than $300, even $500 you can make with this website. The best thing about this website is when you just join, you can see that if you just join, you can get $2 for free just for joining up with this site. So this is a really cool site to work with right now. All you have to do is just go this website and join there, or you can go, they have both options. You can work it on your smartphone as well. They have Android apps in their Google Play community, and you can see that this is the app for their Android and this is the app for Apple Store. You just go and download, install it, and start working with Univox. You can just go through the website. You can see that the earning process is very simple, 3-step. It's quick. It just sign up and you will get 200 points, which is worth $2. So 100 point is $1. And then you just take some surveys, do some daily activities that I'm going to show you right now, and you just earn points, and you can, those points you can just convert into any way you want. This supports PayPal, Visa, every gift cards like Amazon and more things like this. So all you have to do is just go over there. You can see that you can cash out from any way you like. Just hit the join to get $2 button here. It will show something like this. This is the sign up form, a simple sign up form. You just input your first name, last name, gender, email, and your personal informations and hit sign up, confirm your email. It will show something like this when you just log in. This is the dashboard you will see when you just log in, and it will show a wheel of fortune to play to win. This is the catch here. You just don't have to fill surveys. You can just even log in daily and spin this wheel. It will active every 24 hours and you will just spin the wheel. You can win up to 1,000 points. That means $10. So this is a really cool way. You just spin it daily. You can earn many points with this without doing anything. You just spin it. You can earn up to $10 every day. So this is the first thing you just have to do. Then you can go over to their survey sections in the left menu in the my surveys. If you click on my survey, it will show surveys like this. It has some points values. You can see that 83 points, 75 points, 46 points. You just do this. It takes some time, a little time. It supports all the device. You can do it from any website, any device you use. It will work without any problem and you can get very good points. And when you complete this, you will get your points into your account. So this is a cool site. Surveys are very easy, just 5 to 10 minutes of your time and you're good to go with every service and you're good to go with earning money. So to get some service, you have to complete your profile so that you can get more service. So to complete your profiles, you have to click on profile service here, and it will show something like this. This is the profile service. It's asking about you. It wants your information. So the more information you give to them, you will get more service, more higher paying service from them. So all you have to do, just go through their profile service and complete all the questions out there, like your profile, your food, your habit, health, automobile, technology. They want more informations from you, how you work, how you like, how your hobbies are, and then they will give you more service opportunity and you will get more money with that. And believe me, this is a paying sites working very well, and complete this service and you earn points for that, and all those points will going to be added into your my points sections. You can see you will get points and you will then can cash out those points into cash out sections. And you can see that if you just sign up, it's a basic user level. If you just upgrade yourself, you will get more minimum payout options, but minimum payout for basic, it's like this. So all you have to do is just redeem your points here using your PayPal, and they will send you PayPal money for that. Then the thing is, third thing is their wall of fame options. If you go over to their wall of fame options in the menu, and it will show something like this. It's like a competitions. The more engagement you do with these websites, more points you earn. If you scroll down, you will see something like this. Your engagement score is based on following factors. It will show something like, if you complete one survey, you will get some bonus points. If you just complete 10 survey, it will give you some bonus points. And all these activities, redemption, rejections, one referral, retention, approval, mobile app download first time, survey attempts from mobile, all these activities, you will see different type of activities daily. You just have to complete those activities and you will get these points as a bonus to your points fields. So for this engagement score, this is a really good way to earn decent amount of money with this. All you have to do is just go over to the wall of fame sections and you are good to go with earning decent amount of money. And the fourth and last options to earn good amount of money is by referring friends. Yes, referring friends is also a good way to earn a good amount of money. You just go over to the refer friend sections of your account and you just click on your referral link and start was promoting to your friends and family in using your social media. It's a bonus. You just more people go over to your referral link and you will get $1 per sign up. This is really cool. More people you can invite, more money you can make with them. And the thing is, if you just ask from them to join your referral link, they can get $2 for that. This is a really good way. They can earn free money and you just promote it, they will get $2. And if you can get those referrals, per referrals, you will earn $1 without any problem. So this is the catch, guys. You can earn more than $300 per day if you just work daily, be active, and you can really earn more than $300 every day. It's a PayPal money, but it needs some work, but it's a very easy work from your side. All you have to do is just be active and money will follow you, as I always say. So if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button. Let me know in the comment sections how you like this method or not. You just be active and be with my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, see you later. Stay well and thanks for watching.